Starting the questions from the book, let us take an example so that each and every aspect of profit and loss appropriation account is clear in your mind. Question: X and Y are partners, sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. The partnership deed provided that number 1. Interest on capital to be provided to the partners at the rate 10% per annum. Number 2. Interest on drawings to be charged from partners at the rate 10% per annum. Number 3. Partners are entitled to a salary as X rupees 2,000 per month and Y rupees 60,000 annually. Number 4. X is allowed a commission of 10% of net profit before charging such commission, and Y is entitled to a commission of 10% of net profit after charging such commission, after charging all commissions. Then fifth, Y has advanced a loan of rupees 1 lakh to the firm on 1st July 2019. Here 6% interest will be charged as per the rules. Then 10% of the net profit is to be transferred to general reserve. 7th, manager of the firm is entitled to a commission of 10% of net profit after charging such commission. And the 8th one is the position of the partner's capital account on 1st April 2019 was rupees 6 lakh and rupees 4 lakh respectively, means 6 lakh for X and 4 lakh for Y. On 1st April 2019 was 6 lakh and 4 lakh respectively. On 1st September 2019, X introduced rupees 1 lakh as further capital, and on 1st October 2019, Y withdrew rupees 1 lakh as his capital. The 9th thing is X withdrew rupees 2,000 per month at the end of every month. 10th, Y withdrew as follows throughout the year. 15th April, he withdrew 10,000. 30th June 19, he withdrew 20,000. 1st April 2019, he withdrew 30,000. On 31st December 2019, he withdrew rupees 40,000, and 1st March 2020, he withdrew rupees 50,000. 11th, the firm paid rent of business premises which has been rented by X rupees 60,000 for full year. The firm earned a profit of rupees 5 lakh during the year 2019-20 before providing for the aforementioned provisions of the partnership deed. Calculate the distributable profit of the firm and prepare the profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2020. Starting with the P&L profit and loss appropriation account, we will first of all prepare the working notes to calculate all the things that are being given. The first is interest on capital. Capital as on first we will calculate for X. Capital as on 1/4/19, 1st April 2019, at the beginning of the year was rupees 6 lakh. Introduced further capital on 1st July 2019, rupees 1 lakh. So interest from 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020 on rupees 6 lakh comes to rupees 60,000. 6 lakh into 10 by 100. Then we will add interest from 1st July 2019 to 31st March 2020 on rupees 1 lakh that has been further introduced. So 1 lakh into 10 by 100 into 9 by 12, because this was used for 9 months, this 1 lakh rupees. So it comes to 7,500. Total comes to 67,500. Alternatively, interest from 1st April 2019 to 30th June 2019, that is on 1st July 2019, 1 lakh was introduced as per the capital. So 6 lakh was the amount which was there with the firm from 1st of April 2019 to 30th June 2019. So for 3 months, the interest on rupees 6 lakh at the rate 10% for 3 months comes to rupees 15,000. And we will add interest from 1st July 2019 to 31st March 2020 on rupees 7 lakh. 6 lakh at the beginning plus 1 lakh that has been added on 1st July 2019. Total comes to 7 lakh for into at the rate 10% for 9 months. 9 by 12, it comes to 52,500. Total comes to 67,500. This is the interest of X. By both approaches, the amount is same. Now for Y, capital of Y as on 1st April 2019, that is at the beginning, was 4 lakh. And Y has withdrawn rupees 1 lakh on 1st October 2019. So the interest from 1st April 2019 to 30th September 2019 at rupees 4 lakh at the rate 10% for 6 months was rupees 20,000. And after the withdrawal, we will calculate the interest of the remaining amount. Interest from 1st October 2019 to 31st March 2020, the amount was 3 lakh. 4 lakh at the beginning minus 1 lakh that was withdrawn. 3 lakh at the rate 10% for 6 months. It comes to rupees 15,000. So the total comes to 35,000. Now salaries. X is withdrawing salary of rupees 2,000 per month. So for 24, so for the entire year, he has withdrawn rupees 24,000. And in case of Y, it is mentioned that he withdraws rupees 60,000 annually. A fixed amount is being mentioned. Now interest on drawings. X is withdrawing rupees 2,000 at the end of every month. So he has withdrawn rupees 24,000 at the end of every month. If a fixed amount is withdrawn, then the interest is calculated for 5.5 years, that is 11 by 2. 5.5 months, that is 11 by 2 months. So 24,000 at the rate 10% into 11 by 2 into 12 is equal to 1,100. Now the interest on drawings for Y, we will prepare the table. Date, amount withdrawn, period of utilization, product, because the amount of drawings are different and on different dates. The first withdrawal, the first drawing was made on 15th of April 2019. 10,000 was the amount. This amount was used for 11.5 months. Total comes to 1,15,000. The second withdrawal was on 30th of June 2019, 20,000. This amount was used for 9 months. 1,80,000 is the product. The third drawing was on 1st of September 2019, rupees 30,000. It was used for 7 months, 2,10,000. The next drawing was on 31st of December 2019, 40,000. 3 months was utilization period, 1,20,000. And the last drawings were on 1st of March 2019, 50,000. 1 month was the utilization period, 50,000. Total of the product comes to 6,75,000. 1 month interest at the rate 10% will be calculated on this amount. So 6,75,000 into 10 divided by 100 into 1 by 12, the amount comes to 5,625. Now the adjusted net profit. The net profit as per question is given 5 lakh. The rent that has been paid rupees 60,000. This rent should have been debited to a profit and loss account as a charge against profit, but it was not done so. Therefore, it will be subtracted here. 4,40,000 is the balance. Similarly, the interest on loan to Y should also be debited to profit and loss account. It was not done, so it will be deducted over here. So the net profit comes to 4,35,500. Now commission to partners. X, it is the net profit is given 4,35,500 and it is given 10% of net profit is the commission that is to be given to X. So 4,35,500, 10% comes to 43,550. In case of Y, it is given 10% of net profit after charging all commissions. So from this 4,35,500 we will subtract X commission 43,550. The balance comes to 3,91,950. 10 into 10 divided by 110 is equal to 35,631.81, or we will round it off to the nearest rupee, 35,632. Now interest on loan advanced by Y on 1st July 2019 was rupees 1 lakh. The rate of interest is not given in the question, means the partnership deed is silent in case of rate of interest on loan given by the partner, and as per the rule 6% interest per annum is to be provided as interest on loan. So 1 lakh at the rate 6% for 9 months comes to 4,500. Now transfer to general reserve. 10% of net profit is transferred to general reserve. Net profit is 4,35,500. 10% of it is 43,550. Then the manager's commission is 10% of net profit after charging such commission. So 4,35,500 into 10 divided by 110 is equal to 39,590.90, or round it off to the nearest rupee, 39,591. Now the profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2020. On the credit side, by net profit brought down rupees 5 lakh, less rent paid 60,000, it comes to 4,40,000, less interest on loan 4,500. All this is to be shown in the profit and loss account to calculate the adjusted net profit once again. Once in the working notes and here too. By interest on drawings. X capital account 1,100, Y's capital account 5,625. Total comes to 6,725. On the debit side, to interest on capital, X capital account 67,500 as calculated above, Y's capital account 35,000. Total comes to 1,02,500. To salaries, X capital account 24,000, Y's capital account 60,000. Total comes to 84,000. This has also been shown in the working note. To commission, X capital account 43,550, Y's capital account 35,632. Both have been shown in the working notes. Total comes to 79,182. To transfer to general reserve 43,550, 10% of this amount. And to provision for manager's commission 39,591, that is 10% of net profit after charging all commission. So the total, then we will balance the debit and the credit side. The credit side total is 4,42,225, but the total of the debit side is shorter by 93,402. This is the profit transferred to partner's capital account, and we will divide this profit in the ratio 3:2. 56,041, 37,361. X का इतना, Y का इतना.